And now I want to guide you quickly through our latest new features our team was working on. So I want to start with a Git integration. A couple of customers were already waiting for this feature. But someone might ask the question, why do we need a Git integration for automation engineering? I think it's obvious, as a lot of vendors already have an integration in their IDEs. VCI for Siemens, Backoff has an integration, and so on and so forth. And now we bring an integration into our SDA platform. How does that look like? Let's quickly go through in a quick video. We see here we have the integration now with GitHub. We're just creating a secure access token with given permissions. In our case, it's just a read access to certain repositories. What we see here, how this is defined. Just selecting some of the repositories. Create a new access token. And with that newly created access token, we can go back now to the SDA platform. Create a new integration, paste the token, and create it. What happens now automatically, with the given access token, we're already fetching all available repositories, configuring now the webhooks, and back in SDA, we can link now an existing project to an already existing Git repository. Now we see quickly the structure. In that case, it's just an example project here, version 17, which is usually a binary format, but with the VCI integration, you can store the files in plain text with the VCI. And now we see here how to link the existing repository to one of our projects in SDA. The name of the repository was Filling Machine, and we can directly go to the repository again. Now we see here TIA portal is open. Let's do some changes to check how that works in our SDA platform. We're changing the input timer from 1 second to 5 seconds. And like usual, with a git commit, giving it a meaningful commit message, which then will appear in our SDA platform. And there we go. We see a new project version coming up. We need to process the project version. And when this is done, we can simply compare in the SDA platform, even for graphical languages like function block diagram, ladder logic rendering. Let's select the two versions. And there we go. We see the exact differences in a graphical way and can easily compare what my colleague or what I did in Git. So with a git commit.